Good morning, grade 4 learners. I'm your teacher today. I'm teacher Sarah. And now, please stand up and we'll sing an action song. Let's sing, I've got joy down in my heart, deep, deep down in my heart. J-O-Y down in my heart, deep, deep down in my heart. Jesus give it to me, and no one can destroy it. Destroy, destroy, destroy. Oops, I've got joy down in my heart, deep, deep down in my heart. Okay, very good. Okay, please sit down. And now, let's check your attendance first. Ella May Barong.
Present, ma'am.
Ina Barong.
Present, ma'am.
Jessamay Abad.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Your attendance today is all present. Today, we'll learn about my community, roles, responsibility, and issues. To make it fun, we'll use role-play simulation. We'll act out real situations so you can understand better. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
First, let's have our objectives. At the end of the lesson, the grade 4 learners are expected to... Now, let's learn 3 important words. First is role. So what is role? Role, it is the job or part you do, like being a student or doctor. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, second is responsibility. So what is responsibility? It is the duty you must do well, like studying or helping others. The number 3 and the last is the issues. So what is issues? A problem that affects everyone, like trash on the street. Do you understand, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Each person has a role and responsibility. For example, a garbage collector. So a garbage collector's role is to clean. And their responsibility is to collect trash properly. Second example is the barangay captain. His role is a leader, and his responsibility keep peace, solve problems, and greet people. Third example is the health worker. Her role is a caregiver, and her responsibility is to check health and give vaccines. The fourth example is the student. His or her role is a learner, and his or her responsibility is to follow rules, help in simple tasks. Now, let's act. I have here 2 scenarios. First is the good community. So, may I call on Ina Barong as a nurse and John Noah as a garbage collector. Third is Jessamay Abad as a barangay official. And now, the role and responsibility of the nurse is to check patients. So here is the picture. So the nurse checks a patient. And the garbage collector collects trash properly. So, you see the picture of the garbage collector. And the last is the barangay official. So, the barangay official greets people. So, here is the picture. So, what do you see, children? Everyone everyone is doing their responsibility, right?
Yes.
So our community is clean, safe, and happy. Our second scenario is about the community issue. So, trash thrown on the street. People complaining. People are worried.
Oh no, what's wrong here?
This is an issue. Improper waste disposal. Who is responsible for fixing this? Yes, the garbage collector and all of us. We must not throw trash anywhere. See, role play helps us feel and understand real situation easily instead of just listening. Today, we'll learn that everyone has a role and responsibility in the community. When duties are not done, we have issues. Role play help us learn better by acting our real life. So remember, learners, let us do all our part to make our community a great place. And that's all for today. Goodbye and thank you, class.
Goodbye and thank you, Teacher Sarah.